Hello, welcome back to week 5. This week I have worked on the shop UI. Upon doing so, I ran into a little problem which I couldn't figure out, which was this. It was this pretty much the sell button. Even though I went through the blueprints like 2 3 times, I still could not figure out what the issue was. But I will fix this when I get some help. But I just could not figure out what the issue was. Is it this? I think it's this actually. Hold on, because I have it set to collapse. It might just be that. Hold on, wait 1 second. I think I pretty much figured it out. Nope. Okay, never mind. Yeah. Anyway, yeah. I was going through. This is the shop UM. I'm just gonna show the demonstration while we're inside. I was gonna see if it actually fixed itself, but it didn't. I couldn't figure out what the issue was, but yeah, the item list is supposed to show up on the sell tab, and then I could buy and sell all of them by doing so. But obviously, it does not appear, and I can't figure out what the reason is. But I will just quickly go through the blueprints again. We have the actual shop items. We have the name. This is the item icon, which is what do you call it? What the icons of the item will be. The amount, the cost, and then the button to purchase them. Obviously, all of this will get changed to make it my own design. We have these. Wait, I didn't go through the graph quickly. Initialize. I have the shop data, which is the structure. This is the shop NPC. Make a quick. What do you call it again? Promote to a variable quickly, so I can call it again later on. Call the event which is already created. Update the shop, and then this entry which is updating the contents, which is right here. Custom event. Updating the text. Updating the amount, and then updating the cost as well, which has set all of them. This is just the buying the items. When you click buy, call the shop, buy item, which is already a function created, and in response, this gives me a if it's success or not, and then not enough gold, which you saw earlier. Quickly, we have the sell button. This is the one that was not working for me. The item name of the item. If you sell one or sell all, pretty standard. Not a lot going on here. Again, initialize the same as in the shop. The structure for the item data and the shop, calling the shop NPC. Make another promote to variable. Promote to all of them to variable. I think pretty much this is the same as all 3 of them will be the same as. Again, we call in the event, update the shop, and then create a custom event from here, which is right here, updating the sell entry. Item class. This is pretty neat to me. This is the first time I've learned about this. I've never seen this one before. Get class defaults. Break the structure. Set the item text. Set the sell button. And then set in the text for the inside the all. Set in the all text button. But yeah, honestly, I could not figure out what the issue for this is. But I'll definitely come back to it. I'll definitely come back to it and then fix it. That's 100% sure. And then lastly, we have the panel. Again, initializing the panel, calling all 3 of the shops. This is calling the inventory, so I update the inventory. Update the shop branch, update the shop stock, and then sell the inventory, which is this is getting called from here, selling the inventory. So updating the slot and from the inventory. So we have the just a normal update in the shop, update shop stock. This gets called from here. It's like a little branch. Clear child for each loop. Create a widget. This is created inside the inside here, inside the panel. So we have a horizontal box, and then with the text, again, a horizontal box with the text. This inside this panel, this scroll box has the shop, and then this scroll box is the sell. So this is pretty much just creating the widget inside the first panel, which is right here. And then initializing, this is initializing from the shop. You know, this is calling this. And then add child to the vertical box. Update the sell inventory. This is just the getting information from the inventory. There you go, calling the inventory reference. Slot reference for each loop branch. Create the sell button. This is creating the sell button inside here. Getting the shopping PC, the vertical box, which is going to be inside the sell button, and then adding it to the vertical box. That is pretty much it. Honestly, there's not a lot to this. And obviously at the end, calling the initialize the panel in the main HUD, which is right here. And then obviously, lastly, to show some gameplay. Yeah, I could not figure out what the this works. As you can see, it says not enough gold at the top. I don't have enough gold to buy it. I don't think I have enough gold for anything, honestly, because it tells me not enough gold for anything, so I can't really buy it. How much gold do I actually have again? Oh wait, hold on. It was 150. Wait, I should have some gold, no? Because yeah, it says right here I have 150, so I can't figure out why it says I don't have any gold. But obviously, if I wanted to, I can get the data from the item structure, which is item class, no, item data. Split. Oh no, it's not split, it's break. No, it's not this. Wait, what? Wait, sorry. I just want to see if I could get the break. It's not this? Okay, never mind. Never mind that. Anyway, yeah, that was pretty much it. Just gonna show this one last time. So this week worked on the shop UI. This shop UI will change. So I will basically have panels over here. Different panels. The currency amount will be at the bottom. There will be I will show it in the wireframe, which you will see. But yeah, you would have a sort button at the top. The price will be labeled on each item as well, like this. The price will be labeled like so, pretty much. The purchase button will not be in here, but it will be at the bottom. And that is pretty much it for the design of the from the shop. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. This week was a short week. I've had to run into a little problem with the sell button, so one of the functions isn't working. But I will get that fixed and update next week or anytime I get it fixed. And yeah, I'll see you next week.